So today we're going to take my Honda Element and we're going to change the emblems from chrome into black. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to use this Plasti Dip here. So this Plasti Dip adheres to the chrome emblems and it doesn't adhere to the paint, and it makes it super easy to convert the chrome into black. So this is everything we need right here if you're going to do this yourself at home. So of course you'll need the Plasti Dip. You'll need like a small toothpick or a small knife, some painter's tape. I got something to mask it off with, but you can also just use some like old newspaper. And then you're gonna want to clean the surface first. So we got some just household cleaner and then a microfiber towel. And to make it super easy for you guys, I'll leave everything down below in a link in the description so you can just get all of this stuff if you're gonna try to do this at home. So the first thing here is we're just gonna simply clean this area off so the Plasti Dip can adhere nicely. So we'll just take our household cleaner. I'm just gonna wipe the area down. Might as well get these areas over here too while we're at it. Nice and dirty. So the next thing we want to do is we want to mask off the area. So I'm going to use this product here. It's masking paper, but yeah, like I said, you can just use like any old household newspaper if you want to do it for free and cheap. I recommend using this painter's tape. You can find this at any hardware store. And we're just gonna trace out this little area here. And this is just simply to prevent any overspray, make it a little easier to clean off. Now we get our masking paper here. Okay, so there we have it. It's all masked off. And now we can go ahead and apply our Plasti Dip. Let's check out the instructions here first. Shake can vigorously for 1 full minute. After mixing ball begins to rattle, shake often while applying. Hold can 6 to 10 inches, 15 to 25 centimeters from surface, moving can back and forth slightly overlapping each stroke. Apply heavy enough coat to produce an even wet appearance. Allow 30 minutes minimum between coats. Apply as many coats as desired, 3 to 4 is average. Allow 4 hours minimum dry time before use, and approximately 5 to 10 square foot meters per can. So this can's gonna go a long way. You can do many cars with this one can. So let's go ahead and shake that up for a whole minute here. So let's go ahead and apply it 6 to 10 inches away. Okay, that looks good. We'll let this sit for about 30 minutes. And in the meantime, we'll work on the Honda emblem over here. So we'll set the timer for 30 minutes and let's start to work on the H emblem over here. Let's repeat the same process as before. First, we're gonna clean the area. Now that it's nice and clean, we'll go ahead and mask it off. I'm gonna make this mask a little bit closer than the last one. There's less to peel off. About to record me masking off this side, but you get the idea. Repeat the process here, 6 to 10 inches away. So let's let this sit for about 30 minutes and then we'll come back and then we'll do the next coat. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and apply our second coat. It's looking good. Maybe a little bit of running here, but hopefully that doesn't show too bad. Second coat. According to the internet, you can just peel this off here. So I'm just using like an old credit card to kind of get a little piece off, and it should just peel off like magic. Get it attached, yep. Whoa. Look at that, that is crazy. Very nice. Impressive. So let's try the H logo here. I think it's gonna be a little bit easier because there's like much bigger gaps. Yeah, if you can able to get your fingers underneath it, you can really just kind of peel it off. See on this one here, I think I made the gaps too small. So next time I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, make it easier to peel off. There we go. Stuff is magic. Freaking awesome. So there's the results. I think it came out looking pretty dang good. If you guys want to try yourself, I'll leave the links down below. And then when you're going through here, make sure you take your time with the ease if you have a Honda Element, because it took a little bit of time and I ended up having to respray it once, but I'm really happy with the results. If you guys end up trying this yourself, please let me know how it goes for you down below in the comments, and be sure to subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.